Hey guys, so I'm in Austin, Texas at South by Southwest conference. I'm here for the In Our Nature screening. Really excited to be here in Austin, Texas. I'm gonna be showing you all the behind the scenes that we got going on. Right now I'm headed to get my South by Southwest badge. Really doing big things, so stay tuned. Okay guys, I just got my stuff. I just went in for registration to get my bag. Okay, so there's my South by Southwest EDU badge. They also kind of just gave me some South by Southwest gear. And that's all. So that's registration. Now gotta get ready to go to our screening. Okay guys, so we are in the room where we're about to do the screening. We are about 20 minutes from showtime. So, you know, the volunteer manager is kind of giving us the rundown of what we have to do here. But, you know, we're gonna be presenting. This is James. He's the producer of In Our Nature. Got Ellen from Kentucky, she's a professor, and then we're just kind of getting the orientation here. And we'll be sitting in one of these South by Southwest director chairs, so that should be pretty exciting. And you know, we're gonna have an intimate crowd here, so it should be pretty amazing. Okay guys, so now we're going into our green room. So this is the speaker green room, South by Southwest 2026. Let's go in. I hear they got snacks. Let's see what's on the menu. Okay, walk into the green room. Oh, we gotta sign in. Okay, let's see what kind of snacks they have here at South by Southwest for visitors in the green room. Okay, so look, we got some assorted breakfast pastries. Got some fruit. Got some Tropicana drinks. Ooh, what's this here? Oh, look, we got some butter and some grape jam. We got some half and half oat milk options for those who drink coffee. There's a hot water and coffee. Okay, let's see what else they have here. Okay, so we also have some light snacks. We have some Kind bars. We have some Ms. Vicky's. Now, I wouldn't touch these because this will probably give you some gas, and you don't want to sit there with gas while you're waiting to present. We also got some Airheads. Look at that. It's like being in high school again. Some little candy treats, and then of course we got some chocolate treats, got some Kit Kats, some Twix, some Reese's, Hershey's. You know they're missing the best one, which is of course Snickers. No Snickers, no go for me. So yeah, that's what we got going on with the snacks, and then we also got some drinks you can get here. Look at that. You got some Red Bull to power you up, some Frappuccinos, some Pepsi Mountain Dew. Look at all that. Delicious.
Afterwards with James Parker, our director, Keelan Blackwell, president and founder of Southside Blues, and Red Wings Rising. Also stick around today, we have 3 more screenings, one of which is the last short film walk that we have this
Across Chicago's thorniest neighborhoods, change is blossoming from the ground.
I'm in Inglewood at a flower shop. We have a flower shop here. We're a non-profit trying to get the youth out of community-related violence type stuff and learn more about nature or the environment.